Today I'm sharing a powerful, natural recipe designed to strengthen the immune system. This blend combines traditional herbs and minerals known for their immune-boosting properties. For this recipe you'll need 2 teaspoons of dried centaury herb, a pinch of ground propolis and 1 teaspoon of white clay. Start by pouring 250 milliliters of boiling water over the dried centaury herb in a heat-safe container. Cover with a lid and allow it to infuse for 5 minutes. This step ensures that the centaury herb releases all of its beneficial properties into the water. Once infused, add a pinch of ground propolis and stir thoroughly until fully mixed. Let the drink cool to a warm temperature, then strain out the herbs before the next step. Now add 1 teaspoon of white clay to the strained drink and mix well. This gives the drink a mineral boost, enhancing its immune-supporting effects. Sip 250 milliliters of this immune-strengthening drink 3 times a day, 1 hour before meals for 5 days. Repeat this process once a year to keep your immune system strong and resilient.